It's okay. As someone after all, it is your fault. It is your fault. Because how do you expect her to keep quiet when you are trying by every means necessary to snatch her husband?
It's your question.
This is an
I'm gonna buy this beach. I said, Nania. Woman, I find game for woman and to pass. I fell never quite. Where are you going to? Where are you going? Where are you going to make it again? Where are you going to? Woman, woman and to pass. No, we are not done with this.
You have a wife, and if you give her the needed attention, she can still bear you a child.
Oh, will this fake organic product allow him? Okay, where? I will not start. I'm not also. And what are you insulting me? Enough is enough. Let me ask you a question. All this while I had to go up front and back. Even before you came back from the city to this village, your stomach was still empty. Did you not see my child? Did you see my daughter? You are you the one that killed my child? You killed my daughter. Witch! You are a witch!
Asanwa.
Sir, that's my name.
The Igwe has commanded that you should give your son to Anayo.
That is what our Igwe said.
To allow him face his family.
Simple.
That is his instruction.
Go back to that your Igwe. I'm not Igwe. I'm over here. No sense. See, I'm more about someone. Now, that I will not give my child 1.9 months. When you milala, when you put her for my waist, I will not give it to him. Then you take him.
It's not an insult. I'm just telling him. It's not that I'm insulting him.
Please, guy. You are expressing your anger. Anyway.
This house. Marry you to where? Marry to this house. Hey, it's on the one. Because this thing is giving me stress. My press to take care of. I have a white. And get them because with all due respect, where you are king that I will not give my son to anybody. And as for you and I, if you still want to miss this salt, open your milkshake. If later, hey, open up again. You know where to meet me. You pay my dowry, get married to me, make a bill awesome. For now, concentrate on this one. Even when they make it of West, you won't allow. You understand me? You also don't you respect. Also, okay. Also, after you come and meet me. Nonsense. No, you won't. We're not going to come out for you. Fake organic product.
This is the insult of the first class.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.